if statement in JavaScript, exactly like what you did in C. If open parenthesis, and then let's make a comparison, 3 greater than 2, open close parenthesis, log something to the console, say 3 is greater. Save this, run this. Possible as and when clear the output log. Did it clear the output? So 3 is greater. What about an else? You can go with an else statement here and then console log 3 is not greater. Something like that. So you can have an else statement, if else, very simple, like what you did in other languages. Is this clear? If else. Next thing we are going to see is nested if else. Nested if else statement in JavaScript. Exactly like what you had in Java. So it's like you have an if statement. Say if I'll have the value of x, let x double equals let x to be 2, and if x double equals 1, what I will say is console log x is 1. Now else if, now we give another condition, if x double equals 2, what are you going to say? Open close parenthesis console log x is 2. X is not equal to 1, not equal to 2, you can do a series of else if checks. Finally, if it's not matching any of the values else, what you can say is, you can log it to the console saying x is not matching any value. Save it, run it. Okay, so x is 2. So nested if else, recommendation is don't go in for more than 2 or 3 levels of nested if else in your code.